welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this video I'll be talking about a remedy you should use to treat hair loss. Yeah, this is basically for hair loss. If you are battling with hair loss, your hair is breaking, this is one remedy you should make sure you watch to see how to make it and use. Okay, it is very potent and very effective, and to grow your hair back. So we're just using two ingredients: our natural extra virgin olive oil and of course your garlic powder. Okay, this is also your garlic, fresh garlic. You cut open your garlic. This is your freshly peeled garlic. Okay, so you just want to cut it into smaller pieces. You get a teaspoon of your garlic powder. This is your garlic powder. Okay, you can get this from your mall or your local market, anywhere around you. So this is it. Guys, you just want to mix it together to make it even. All right, to have the garlic powder mixed well inside the olive oil. After mixing it this way, you leave it overnight to allow the oil and the garlic to be well infused. Okay, leave it overnight before you start using it. Use this mixture to massage your scalp, to massage your hair, the place where you are experiencing hair fall. You need to massage it morning and night. Then you cover your hair with your bonnet or your shower cap, whatever, and you leave for an hour before you wash off. You do this morning and night for a month. Okay, do this for a month and you start experiencing your hair growth. Your hair will start growing where the hair loss will stop and your hair will be fuller and finer. Okay, so this recipe is very, very potent and effective. It's a recipe that worked wonders for me on my scalp, on my hair. I was experiencing hair loss at the time, but then this recipe brought back my front hair. Okay, I have friends that are experiencing the same thing. Share this video with your friends, tell them about this recipe because it works like magic. So guys, thanks for staying true with me. Thanks for watching this video. I love you all. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. You don't want to miss out on my videos. Okay, I post videos every week, 4 times a week, so watch out for my videos. And after subscribing, turn on your notification bell to get notified on my new videos. All right, because you don't want to miss out on it. Leave a comment down below also on how this recipe worked for you, if you've tried it out before. But if you haven't tried it out already, don't worry, you can leave a comment down below on telling me when you try it and come back to give me your reviews on how it worked well for you. Okay, I love you all and see you in my next video.